How to remove payout account in Facebook Pays. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process, which is pretty simple and easy. So let's just get started. So for that, what you need to do is head over to Meta Business Suite, which is business.facebook.com, and log in using your account. Once you are logged in, it will show you the page that is associated with your Facebook account like this, and on your left hand side you will be finding different options. Now what you may do is look out for the option called settings, open it up and access the settings of your Meta Business Suite. And once you find it up, here you will be finding different given options. So look out for different options available here, and from this section look out for the option of payment or something like that. You may basically head over to this menu right here, look out for all tools option and scroll down and find this option called manage billing and payment section. Open it up. Now once you open it up, it will take you to the billing section of your page where you will be finding your payment activity and your payment settings. Now in order to remove the payment, look out for payment settings option. And here you will be finding the payment account that you've added, payment method that you've added. Just go ahead and find it up, and right beside it you should be finding edit or cancel option. Find it up. After that, just go ahead and click on it and confirm it up, and that way it should be removed, and that's it. So therefore you may also head over and follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more tips and tutorials.